Even if you make your bed, even if all your laundry is off your floor, even if your nightside tables don't have clutter on them, your room can still smell. And what's that smell from? It's from your soft surfaces, the sweat that comes from your body overnight. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you different ways that you can make your bedroom smell great. Taking this little break here to let you know that at Makers Clean, we are having our annual summer sale. It is our biggest sale of the year. You can visit makersclean.com or makersclean.ca. All of our items in the store are marked down for a discount up to 50% off. You don't need a coupon code. You can go to makersclean.com or makersclean.ca. I've also got links for you in the description box down below. One of the easiest ways to make your room smell better immediately is to change your bed sheets. Your bed sheets ideally should be changed once a week. If you're pushing it, really twice a month, but that to me is the max. Otherwise, your room can really start to smell sweaty and dank. And that's because your bed sheets are kind of like another layer of clothing, and they absorb sweat, body oils, dead skin cells. So it's really important to make sure that you launder those regularly. Adding scent to your room is entirely a personal preference. Yes, it can help, but sometimes it can be overpowering. For a long time, I was all about diffusing essential oils in my room. I found that lovely and relaxing, and it really worked for me at the time. Now, I just like my room to smell like absolutely nothing. So certainly you could diffuse essential oils. If you have a particular candle that you really like, go for it. Some people even like plugins. Great, do whatever works for you. My most important thing here is don't mask a bad smell with a better one. First, deodorize, get yourself to a neutral baseline, and then add scent if you decide to. And don't leave your mattress out of the picture, because that too can absorb odors as well as sweat, body oils, and dead skin cells. Really, why it's so important is because dust mites pick up on all of the stuff that our body sheds onto our mattresses. And if dust mites are happy, it means that you, if you have dust mite allergies, will be more triggered every time your head hits the pillow or your body hits the mattress. One of the things I'm guilty of in my room is taking my clothes off and just leaving them on the floor. Now, you obviously can't tell because I cleaned this up for the video, but generally there are a couple of pieces of clothing here and there. Now, if it's one or two, that's okay, just try to pick it up. But if it starts to build up, especially if it's sweaty clothes that you've worn, say after being outside on a really hot day or after a workout, that can contribute to odor in your room. So the best thing you can do is to dry those damp, sweaty clothes before they go in the laundry hamper and not leave any clothes on your floor at all. I will log that note for myself too. Whether you have carpeted floors, a rug, or strictly hard floors in your bedroom, it doesn't matter. Vacuuming goes a long way in keeping your room smelling and feeling fresh. So in our room, we have a rug as well as a hard floor surface, and this gets vacuumed at least once a week. Now, I am not at all a fan of vacuuming, but really and truly, when dust is flying around my room, it's annoying, but also I know that it contributes to the stuffiness and the odor that can be sensed in here. So I really think vacuuming goes a long way in keeping a room smelling fresh. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, are you the kind of person that feels absolutely brand new when you slip into a bed that's been freshly made? Like, I'm talking freshly laundered sheets, because I feel that way. I feel like $1 million when I get into my bed after the sheets have been washed. And oh my gosh, when I get into a hotel, of course, after I've stripped off all the top things, wow, that feels good. Let me know if you're the same in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.